everybody, it's your girl Vinna Best and welcome back to my vegan food channel, Vinna Cooks Best. In today's video, I will be showing you how I prepare sea moss gel, a gel that I use in my smoothies and in my juices. Why? Because sea moss contains 92 minerals out of the 102 minerals that our body needs to not only survive, but to thrive. It's good for our hair, good for our skin, good for our nails, our heart, all of our organs, and it's also good for our joints, our bones and our muscles. So, would you like to find out more about the minerals and the vitamins in sea moss? See the description below and you'll find a link directly to my website with a lot more information. Also, thank you to Mama Sia for gifting me this purple sea moss. You can find the link in the description if you would like to buy authentic organic sea moss. So are you ready to prepare your sea moss? Keep watching. Firstly, add the dry sea moss to a large bowl, cover it with cold water and squeeze in a lemon or lime juice. Some of the minerals that sea moss contains includes calcium, iron, copper, potassium, sodium, zinc and magnesium. Make sure that all of the sea moss is covered with water and allow the sea moss to soak for roughly 5 to 6 hours or overnight. The sea moss will expand. Look how lovely it looks. Lightly scrub the sea moss to remove any dirt and change the water to re-soak for roughly 5 to 6 hours again or overnight. Fun fact about sea moss. Sea moss includes calcium. Calcium has several important functions. This includes helping to build strong bones and teeth, regulating muscle contractions, including your heartbeat. Also, calcium makes sure your blood clots properly. As you can see, the sea moss has further expanded. It makes it easier to remove any dirt visible. Because sea moss has 92 of the 102 minerals needed for our body, it gives us more energy. It helps us to sleep better. It helps to boost your sex drive, boost your immune system. It rids the body of any mucus, which helps us have healthier lungs, which helps us breathe better. It suppresses our appetite, which helps us with our weight. It also helps with allergies, joint pains, muscle pains, our immune system. It's also known to be very beneficial for thyroid health and vaginal health as well. But those are just some of the benefits. Now it's time to drain and rinse the sea moss with water until it runs clear. Then place the sea moss in a clean bowl. Now, to use the sea moss gel for juices, smoothies, sometimes people use it to add it to curries or to make sauces as well. What we need to do is to add it to a high power blender. So the blender I'm using for this particular blend is a Vitamix. Now I've added the sea moss with enough water to cover it. You don't want to add too much water because then it will be way too runny, and you want it to be a nice consistent gel. So now blend for up to 2 minutes or until smooth. Now once the sea moss is blended, I either add it to an airtight container and place it in the fridge. If you do place it in the fridge, it can last up to 2 weeks, or You can make some sea moss ice cubes and they last up to about 3 months. But either way, when you're ready to use it, you literally just pop some sea moss, normally a tablespoon, into your juices or your smoothies, blend away, and there you go. To get the full recipe, see the link in the bio below. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of new videos.